The guard link attaches to the blade guard and is responsible for lifting the guard as the saw blade is lowered. The link will tend to wear at both ends where it attaches to the guard and the saw. It can also be bent, which will cause the guard to bind. Replacing the guard link is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before making any repairs to your miter saw or any other power tool, make sure that you have it unplugged. The guard link is secured to the saw with 2 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. Each connection has both a screw and a bushing. Now I can install the new guard link. I align it with the saw. The slotted end goes on the guard. The bushing goes inside the slot. And I attach it with the screw. And I repeat this at the bottom connection. The bushing inside of the hole and attach it with the screw. That's all it takes to replace the guard link on your DeWALT miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.